man. Hey! Wanna get high? Sure. Hey, what do you think everyone else is doing? Beats me.
You thought you could escape me? I hate you! You and your evil wheels!
No! What is going on? Where the hell did Ted go?
Get down on your feet, both of you!
Hey, what are you doing? I still don't know what you're saying.
I'm not gonna ask again! Get down on the ground!
Oh shit! Ted! Ted's in danger! We need to help him! It's the least we can do for not giving him a chance to do it with a girl!
They're still refusing! Open fire!
No! Don't do that! Oh damn! You could create a force field?
Oh, you slimy bastards! A force field? That's my one weakness!
What the hell are we gonna do? Can you speak English? Oh great! Now we're definitely going to jail!
He hit a cop! You are so going to jail!
Yeah, I just said that!
Yeah, well, I said it again. What you gonna do about it?
What? Oh crap!
Open fire! Open those weapons and fire!
I didn't come back from duty just to get shot at!
Reloading! Get in!
Aaron? What are you?
Get the fuck in!
No! Stop shooting!
Fuck it. We're in a world of shit right now because I helped you. It's like GT fucking A.
What the hell is going on?
You fucking tell me. The entire police force is after you. What the fuck did you do back there?
I don't know! So much shit is going on at once!
What the hell? Was that Ted?
It ends here, Warthog.
Holy shit! That shit people are up!
Ted! Lobster, aim for that falcon!
Tom?
God damn! I don't think he was serious.
Who was who?
The professor asked me to kill Ted.
The professor is behind this?
I guess so.
Aaron, whatever you do, drive near Ted. I'm falling!
You're mine!
Ted, hang on!
To what?
Yeah, he's pretty fucked.
Not helping! No! Aaron!
What?
New objective! Save Ted and help him get laid!
Well, that's pretty random.
So's this fucking night!
Man. That was so much fun!
I don't even know how the hell we lived, but I shouldn't be surprised.
Yeah!
Where's that flaming guy?
Yeah. Where is he? Maybe he hit the ground so hard
He flew all the way to France.
Don't be ridiculous. That's impossible. And how the hell do you know about France?
Isn't that like a type of fruit or something?
No, Grapes. It's an actual place.
With fruit?
I would assume so.
Can we go?
We need to think of something to get him down from there.
Those assholes are firing at us! Tell your alien friend to take them down!
Lobster, aim better.
Lobster,
Let me go!
Never! You're mine, Ted!
We need to find a way.
Oh, here, take this.
What the hell? Is this real? Where did you get it?
The professor packed some firepower.
Where did it come from?
France.
The French?
Yeah, I was pretty surprised myself.
Goddamn.
It's over! What?
Been hit, Captain!
Well, no shit, but from where? What? Tom? Aaron? And that elite I saw at the hospital? Hey, Tom! Why are you interrupting me?
Why are you trying to kill Ted?
Crazy psycho fuck!
Aaron, you betrayed me.
Oh shit! Holy shit!
I asked you to assist me, and now you're trying to take me down? Is that your scheme?
I didn't think you were serious even when you told me you were! What the hell happened to you? Why are you trying to murder someone?
And your elite friend's doing the exact same thing. That warthog scarred me, and now I'm gonna make it pay.
Did he just say warthog?
Yeah, he's pretty messed up in the head.
Don't do this, Professor. You'll regret it.
What can you do? Come on, buddy, let's go after him.
Fuck yeah, batshit, man!
Aaron, we need to save Ted. I have an idea. You know that car dealership near us?
Yeah?
Head there.
Already on it.
There goes Falcon. Holy shit!
Get him!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, what the hell? What the hell's the issue?
We're almost out of gas, Captain.
Damn it, can you fly us near a gas station?
I'll try.
Dude, this is so awesome. Dude, this is so totally. This is so awesome. What is that, bro, Han? Oh, just ignore it.
Still chasing us! Jesus! Stop following us, you assholes! Cut it out, you pricks!
What the fuck?
Park it nicely. Next time, I drive.
What? Why?
You get to shoot.
Fuck yeah.
Hey yo, what the hell is all this about?
Mort! What the fuck are you doing here?
Just got back from the bar. Some crazy guy named Tom, an alien thing, and a guy called Ted ran from the police.
You know Ted?
No.
Want to help us shoot at him?
What?
Shotgun.
Dude, there's 2 seats, so we're both shotgun.
Oh.
Shotgun!
Damn it!
Shit! This better be worth it, Tom. First my car gets drenched, and now scratched.
Yeah. Won't be long.
So, what's your story in all of this? What?
Lobster?
Never mind.
Almost done.
Holy shit, dude!
Hey! Be careful. We don't have infinite ammo.
So, we're really gonna screw this guy up?
You know it.
Damn it, Tom! Are you done yet? Tom!
I'm coming!
You're just gonna take that? Stealing.
We're already fucked, so why not? I need something to get Ted back. I have a plan. If I remember correctly, he used to be in love with this chick called Emma. He was always talking about her a while back. Before I went to the bar, I looked her up. She lives right around here somewhere. Something wrong?
No, nothing's wrong. You know, nothing besides the police are following us and the professor trying to fucking kill us!
Okay, really quick.
No. Fuck that. Tell me on the way. Get in.
I'll park the mongoose on the back.
Yeah, now hurry.
Okay, time to go. Once we spot Ted, shoot. Got it?
Yes, Captain.
Is this what I get? Because I didn't get a chick. Why must I be punished? Damn it! I should have told Evan the truth back in high school. Then maybe I wouldn't be in this shit. Huh? Oh no! Oh no! Not now!
Open fire!
Holy! Ah! Someone help me! Someone help me!
We're going in.
Hang on, Ted!
Tom! Tom, save me!
Okay, here's the plan. When Ted falls, I'll get on the mongoose and catch him. Then we drive all the way to Emma's place for a reunion. Sound good?
How do you plan on getting him to fall through? The professor only makes him fall when he wants to, and I think this time he'll try and kill him.
I got it down. Lobster, any enemy you take out, okay? Okay.
What the hell are you doing?
Improvising.
That's improvising?
Ted, look out!
What the hell are you trying to do to me? Ah! Oh!
Lobster! Aaron!
Okay!
Now!
Ah!
Ted, take this!
Mow them down, boys!
Cut out, you motherfuckers!
Damn it, Aaron! Damn it, Aaron!
What the hell am I supposed to do with this?
Aim and shoot!
I can't!
I thought you had major experience with that.
You even insult me in this crisis?
Fight Falcon with Mongoose, you son of a bitch!
Just shoot!
Okay.
At them, not us!
I told you I'm a lousy shot!
Alien guy, shoot them now!
Damn it, Jaber, shoot that elite down!
Yes, batshit man.
Looks like I'll destroy those 2 warthogs with 2 chain guns! No! Damn you! Damn you and your warthog babies! Damn you!
The police haven't stopped!
Who cares? Next stop is Emma.
What? Emma?
Yeah, your love interest from high school.
How did you know her?
Lucky guess. Anyway, let's go.
Yeah! Oh! Oh god, finally out of that shithole. Huh? What the hell? What's that? Shit! My fucking head! What the hell happened while I was gone?
Oh, sweet God. Son of a bitch. There's 2 of you?
Say what?
I was too late. They already did it. I see your plot.
What are you talking about? Hey, you almost hit me, asshole!
I will not allow you to breed a full warthog army against me.
Huh?
I can't let this happen. I need to stop the breeders. So I'll destroy you first.